Nowadays, all the people across the globe using smartphones in their daily life for browsing in net, for communication, and for many purposes like knowing something informative and doing something creative. As per a survey, there are more than 3 billion people using smartphones across the globe. Have you ever thought how mobile phones are made and what are the electronics needed to build a mobile? Let us discuss this stuff in the video. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Let us start discussing about how a smartphone is made. Firstly, the company discuss for the technologies and the purpose that they are looking to design a smartphone. For example, if they want to design a gaming phone, they'll look for the speed, battery backup and its performance. After this, they'll gather all the mobile components and a special team of designers and engineers decide the design or outer look of the smartphone. After designing, they'll go for software developing. A team of software developers choose suitable software for the mobile. The companies chooses which software that they want to develop in mobile. There are mostly two softwares that were popular nowadays. Those are Android operating system and Apple operating system. The companies like Samsung, Xiaomi, Vivo, Realme, OnePlus and more are developing Android operating system in their mobile phone. The most favorited iPhones are running on Apple operating system. BlackBerry using their own operating system named BlackBerry operating system. Let us know about electronics that are used in mobile. Firstly, power amplifier module. Amplifier converts the high frequency signal output for communication to required output and supply it into antenna. The second electronic that is used in mobile are front and back cameras. These cameras used to click selfie photos and videos. The third most electronic used in mobile is processor. The processor is the central hub of your smartphone. It receives and executes every command that you give, and it performs billion calculations per second. And fourth most important electronic that is used in your mobile is flash memory unit. Flash storage is a type of non-volatile memory that erases data in units called blocks and rewrites data at byte level. And finally, SIM tray, LED light and display. Let us discuss about the basic specifications you see in your mobile box. Firstly, RAM. RAM is nothing but random access memory used to store working data and machine codes. RAM plays crucial roles in mobile performance. The higher RAM gives you higher performance. Generally, companies mention 2 GB of RAM, 3 GB of RAM, 4 GB of RAM, 6 GB of RAM and more. The second most specification that you see on your mobile box is ROM. Read only memory is a type of non-volatile memory used in electronic devices. Data stored in ROM cannot be electronically modified after the manufacture of memory device. ROM is nothing but the storage. Companies mention 8 GB of storage, 16 GB of storage and more. The third specification you see in your mobile box is display. The projection of a work going in mobile through screen is display. The screens used in mobile phones are LED, liquid emerald display, LCD, liquid crystal display, OLED, QLED, AMOLED, and so on. Fourth is a processor. Processor is a chip that operates the device and performs every activity in your mobile. That chip is called processor. This chip controls the temperature in your mobile and boosts your mobile. The processors used in mobiles are Snapdragon, MediaTek, Exynos, and Apple's A series processors, specially designed processors. And fifth specification is camera quality. The camera used to capture things and images stored in your device. The cameras are arranged in front and back of your mobiles. The quality of camera mentioned in megapixels and video quality in pixels like 144p, 240p, 360p, 480p, 720p, 1080p, and 4K. Have you ever listened about FPS? And do you know what FPS means? FPS is nothing but frames per second. And the final specification you see is battery. The smartphone batteries are made up of lithium ion to control the temperature and for long usage of mobile. The power of battery measured in mAh means milliampere hour. This is the information that I have collected. Hope you liked it. If you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe